Hello.
Hello.
Good morning.
Good morning. The church is closed.
Yeah.
Is there any reason?
Just renovations will be open again by Sunday.
I wanted to talk to Father Thomas.
Oh, you should be at home.
That's alright.
Are you sure?
Yeah, it's fine.
Okay.
Bye.
See ya.
How to absolve sins without confessing to Father Thomas.
What are you doing?
Reading. Do you know, I saw a man jump into the river this morning.
Really?
Straight through the ice. Pop. Goodbye.
Well, it's that time of year.
What time of year?
The year where everybody starts jumping off everything.
Oh, you mean the time of year where everybody's so depressed that nothing seems to matter anymore? Well, it's not the first suicide I've ever seen. This old man in my building put a 45 to his head. They found him the next morning lying in his own guts. That sort of thing shouldn't shock you, though. It's not the first dead body you've ever seen. How's work stuff going?
Fine.
Still murder puppies?
I don't murder them. I put them down when they're sick.
Semantics. You kick them, you take the money, and you run. By the way, is that legal?
Go home, Ida. It's cold out.
And I'm a houseplant?
You're insane. Anything can happen to insane people.
Anything can happen to anyone. Doesn't matter whether or not they're insane. Besides, may I remind you, we were in the same psychiatric court together.
And now we live on the same street.
You love me. Don't jump into ice cold water, Bertie.
Why would I do that? Go home, alright?
Alright.
Alright, that should be about it.
That's it?
Yeah, that's it. We may give you a call later, but you shouldn't have to worry about it for the next little while. Get some sleep or something, okay? Alright, have a good evening.
You're back.
I thought maybe you could use someone to talk to.
Are you really the only person I can talk to? I hope he doesn't come back and haunt me too.
Did you even know who he was?
Nah, never seen him before.
At least it didn't hurt. It was just a surprise.
It's a little bit worse than a surprise.
It wasn't as bad as all the other dead people you found lying around on the floor. Maybe you should go out or something.
Why does this always happen to me?
It doesn't.
I'm so tired of this. It wasn't all right in the first place.
I know.
I can't handle this! I'm gonna go find her.
You're not gonna hurt her, are you? You're not going to hurt her.
That's really cool, actually.
What?
I don't like that.
Ida.
Ugh. Missed that one.
Ida, listen to me.
What is it, Bertie?
I found a dead boy in my entryway. Ida,
That's terrible.
what do you know about this?
What?
You know something.
No, I don't. I'm insane. I'm a houseplant.
Jesus Christ, Ida.
Listen, what am I supposed to say to you?
I don't know why that boy was dead in my entryway.
I don't know.
You're lying.
I don't know anything. It's all in your head.
He was in my entryway, I swear to God.
Ask Oddfellow.
Oddfellow?
Oddfellow, ask him.
Who's Oddfellow?
Someone I know.
Did he write the note?
I don't know. He was asking about you. Go visit him. 26 Brewer Street. Big house with a tree in front of it. Give him a big kiss on the mouth from me.
I'm gonna lose, aren't I? Maybe.
You're an odd fellow?
I am an odd fellow.
Did you kill that boy?
What are you talking about?
Did you kill that boy?
Don't let strange people into my house, okay?
What is going on here?
What's going on? You tell me what's going on. What are you doing in my house?
Did you kill that boy?
I kill spiders. I kill the creepy crawly bugs in my basement. And I killed a cat once. I didn't kill your imaginary boy.
What is wrong with you?
What's wrong with me? I'll tell you. I'm helpless, schizophrenic, 3 years in solitary confinement. Why don't you ask the floating cat in the corner what's wrong with me? Are you leaving?
Yeah.
Well, good, then get out of my house!
Got anything to eat? Fine.
You could go for a walk.
I don't want to go for a walk.
Who are you talking to?
My sister.
The dead one?
Yeah.
You know, maybe they shouldn't have let you out of the psych ward. Although I'm still crazy too. I'm a houseplant.
You're just saying that to sound crazy.
Oh, really?
Actually, I think you're more sane than I've ever been. It's scary, but I think it's true. How did you meet that odd fellow guy?
I met him in the psych ward.
He's schizophrenic?
Completely effing nuts, more like.
More than us?
Oh god, we're normal people in this crazy little world, Bertie.
You want coffee?
No, I think I'll go walk around a little. What are you gonna do?
I don't know.
Alright, well, write me a postcard about how much fun you had. Bye-bye, Bertie.
Bye.